How to create a public list in your Google Maps. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a public list of locations in Google Maps and then share them with public so that they can follow it and gain some insights upon the things that you want to share. So the first thing we need to do is create a list. So to do this, go to any particular location and add it to the list. So let's go to any particular location. So for example, let's say right here, tap on it, and from here you will have this option of save. So simply click onto this save button, and then you will have this option of new list. So simply click onto this new list button, and then currently you can see that this is a private list. So first give it a name. So for example, let's say and then once you have given it a name, you may also choose to give it a description, and then the next thing you need to do is from private you may also choose it to shared. If you choose it to share, anyone with the link will see the list with your Google account name and picture. So if you want to make it a public list, you need to click onto this shared option and then click onto this create button at the top right. Once you will do this, your new list will be successfully created with that particular location into the list. So then once you have created your list, you may also choose to share it either using this copy to clipboard feature, and if you will do this, it will copy a link of this particular list so that others can follow it, and just give it some time and it will appear onto the Google map itself so that others can follow to the same list as well if they want. So let us see that how you can access it if you want to commit some changes into the list. To do this, simply go back, and once you are inside your Google Maps, you need to click onto this U tab at the bottom. Once you click here, you can see all of the places, and from here you have your list that is the best places to visit. So if you will click on it, you can see that the location that you have added, or if you want to add more locations to it, you can do the same step. So for example, let's say if I want to add any particular location, for example let's say this particular location, I can do the same thing by clicking onto the save button and then choosing my list that is the best places to visit, and then clicking onto the done. And once I will do this, I can check onto the list again, and you can see that now it contains two places, which are this one and then this one. So that's how easy it is to create a public list in your Google Maps application for Android. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or queries to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.